What's going on, everybody? Back again with another vlog. As you can see, the car is pulled down, just doing some maintenance on it. So as you guys already know, the 8.5 turn 3650 kV motor with a cheater 60 amp AC. The car is performing okay. The gearbox is holding up pretty well. One of the biggest issues that I'm facing right now is that because the car is kind of set in the type of gears that you can use with it. Well, I'm just turning this around and show you. So if you can see there, you have 20 teeth, 16 and 18. So it kind of limits what you can play with and what you can do to the car. So that's just a small minor drawback. Many ways to go around that. I saw somebody on YouTube make a video with one of the same chassis like mine, which is the Tamiya M-05. He's on did 32 miles per hour on a 2S battery, and I did 37 this morning, 38 last night miles per hour. Last night as well, yeah, 38 miles per hour last night, 37 today, 36, trying to get the 40. But I realized that, again, sometimes it comes down to suspension. These are some, I think these are MST shocks. These came out for the Evolution that the MST company makes. But there's 88 shock oil in it, so maybe I need to do some tuning up front there. Same thing around back here, 88 shock oil in this. These are kind of an overkill for this size car, but I mean, they make the car go straight, so I can't complain. I'll be doing some more speed runs, but now that I have the GNSS analyzer, I'm going to be putting down some time for you guys so you can see. Yeah, I have some pre-recorded time steps that I'm going to be posting soon, but I really want you guys to see the car perform live, show you guys the live reaction times and elapsed times and all that stuff. So just stay tuned. I'll be doing that today, posting it this evening hopefully. So just stay tuned for that, guys. And remember to like, share and subscribe. Turn on the post notification bell so you can know when I drop a video. So until then, stay tuned. As you can see, I'm actually now running some foam tires, as you guys see at the front. So that's also a new upgrade. Also change out the skinny tires from back. But when you guys actually see the full rundown of the car when I'm doing the speed runs and the drag hits, then you will get to get a full walk around of it.